I've got the RovyVon E90 here, and this is on the full 3,500 lumen mode. And yeah, it is bucketing down right now on this path. Oh, there's the step down, so you get about a 10-second duration before it steps down. You can reactivate though. And we've had a few days of just really hot weather, and now it's just super cold. Well, Melbourne standards anyway. So double tap and we've got eco mode, low, medium, which is pretty good as a walking light, especially on this path, and high. And with that high mode, you can see it really just illuminates the entire path all the way to the end, and it doesn't step down as well. So I'll go for a little walk. You can see the beam profile.